Make daily profit with this 5 minutes forex strategy. I've tested a lot of strategy, but most of them does not prove consistency. So I tested this particular strategy for 7 days straight, and I saw that this particular strategy is actually good. Now what happened is that it shocked me. No complicated indicator, no screen watching all day, just 5 minutes, and I will show you exactly what I discover with this strategy. Most traders think you need hours in front of chart to make money, but what if I told you you only need 5 minutes a day? In this video I'm going to show you the exact 5-minute strategy I tested, the rule I follow, my real result after 7 days, and most importantly, whether this strategy is actually worth your time. At the end of this video, you will know. Now, this strategy is based on momentum and key levels. Now, instead of overcomplicating things, we'll focus on strong price move, clean entry point, quick decisions, perfect for beginners and busy traders. Now, the setup we're looking for. Now, number one, we're going to be looking at time frame. Now, here is what you need. The time frame you need is the 5 minutes time frame. So now we are now going to the 5 minutes time frame. The 5 minutes time, and we need the moving average 50. Now I'm adding the moving average 50. The moving average 50. Now this is a moving average 50. Then we are going to go down to add our RSI. We are using the RSI, and then the levels are here. Look at the levels: 68, 32, and 50. Now this particular 50, I will change it to momentum confirmation. Are we together? So we use it for to confirm our momentum. Now when price is actually above the 50 moving average, that's uptrend, and when price is below the 50 moving average is what is downtrend. So we use the RSI and then the moving average to confirm momentum. Now this is it. Now when price is below the 50 level here, we sell. Like it is now, we can actually sell because price is below, and then when it's above, we buy. So now entry after bullish confirmation, we'll actually enter the market for a bullish run. Now what is bullish confirmation? When we have candlestick that form a bullish signal. Now candlestick that form a bullish signal or a candlestick that form a bearish signal is actually a sign that is going bullish. So now for us to have a good entry, we'll have to follow the strategy. Now this is a 1-to-2 reward ratio. A 1-to-2 reward ratio. Put at the back of your mind that this is a 1-to-2 reward ratio, not a 1-to-3 reward ratio. Now maximum trade that you take in a day is 2 to 3 trades per day. Don't revenge in your trading, please. Don't do revenge trading. Now this is as simple as this. Now I have tested it for 7 days, and in a day I usually win my trade completely. Sometimes I win 3, sometimes I win 2 out of 3. Now out of the 7 days I won 9 trades and I lost 4 trades. Now that is actually a good that's actually good profit and progress. Now not every trade was actually perfect, but consistency makes the difference. Now what makes this strategy powerful is as simple as this. It is very simple, does not need complication, no confusion. It is very fast, 5 minutes scalping strategy, and it is what repeatable in a day, and most importantly it removes emotional trading. because you are not having these emotions in your trading. So you don't need to overcomplicate trading to be profitable. Sometimes a simple strategy executed correctly brings about consistency. Now it's all what you need. The real secret is not the strategy, it is in the discipline. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful trading strategy. Comment 5 minutes if you want more of this secret that I'm sharing with you. See you in my next video. Have a great day. I remember Mr. Joshua that teach traders how to trade the smart way. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.